Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Riot client if it's not launching. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're just basically going to open your Riot client from here, and then you're just going to right click it, and then basically you're just going to run it as administrator. Now if that doesn't work, what you're going to do is you're just going to right click this one, and then you're going to open your task manager. All right, there you go, and then you're going to locate Riot client, and then you're going to forcefully close that first. There you go. So I have mine here. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to end task. The same thing for the second one. We're going to end it. All right, there you go. So I have closed it. And then the next thing that we're going to do is just basically open it once more. So we're going to still do the same thing. We're going to run it as administrator. Okay, there you go. It worked on my end. Now, say for example, it still doesn't work. What you're going to do is you're just going to right click that one, and then you're going to hit properties. There you go. And then we're going to try to go to compatibility, and we're going to check this one, compatibility mode. We're going to choose Windows 8, and we're also going to check this one, run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, I'm just going to click apply and then hit OK. And then you should be able to do that. Now, say for example, everything that I have shown you here doesn't work. What you're going to do is you're just going to reinstall that particular application. You're going to reinstall Riot Client, and hopefully that should solve the problem.